Few health issues are as irritating, figuratively and literally, as yeast infections, and in many instances, yeast infections are treated like the elephant in the women's health room that nobody likes to talk about. However, vaginal yeast infections are extremely common and can often be treated with some simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen cabinet. The Center for Disease Control in the US found that about 75% of women get at least one in their lifetime. These infections, although mostly harmless, can be very uncomfortable and frustrating. Yeast infection is characterized by itching, burning sensation, swelling around the affected area, or possible vaginal discharge that has a thicker consistency than regular discharge. But, at times you may also notice signs of rashes, redness, or irritation that may or may not be accompanied by swelling. It's important to note that if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or diabetic, home remedies should be avoided and you should see a doctor to treat your infection. To get your health back on track, we've rounded up some of the most effective home remedies that you can try. Apple cider vinegar is borderline miraculous as it's antifungal and helps restore the pH balance of your vagina. It also increases the growth of healthy bacteria that may help in curbing yeast production. Apple cider vinegar can also be ingested by adding a tablespoon of it to a glass of water. Coconut oil has a soothing effect on irritated and inflamed skin, and has antifungal properties to fight the infection-causing yeast. Probiotic plain yogurt contains healthy bacteria, lactobacillus, that helps fight the yeast. Eating plain, we repeat, plain, unflavored yogurt with no added sugars as a part of your daily diet can do wonders. Aloe vera has several beneficial properties that can help cure yeast infections. While pure aloe gel has antifungal properties, internal consumption can help increase white blood cells, which helps your body fight yeast from within. You can safely drink aloe vera juice every day until you see improvement. Just add 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe gel to any fruit juice and blend it together. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which enables your body to better fight off the infection. Drinking green tea every day is the easiest way to see results. Additionally, you could take a used green tea bag, refrigerate it to cool it down, and place it over the infected area to soothe inflamed skin. You can also add loose green tea leaves to your bath for similar results. Linda Allen, author, researcher, nutritionist and holistic consultant. Guaranteed to permanently cure the root of Candida and dramatically improve the overall quality of your life. Naturally, without the use of prescription drugs and without side effects. To grab a copy of her well-read ebook, click on the link below in the description. You can also subscribe to my free email mini-course by clicking on the link below www.alexand.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about how to cure Candida naturally.